To use a Fifth Third Cardless ATM, start by locating a participating ATM at a Fifth Third Bank location. Look for the Cardless ATM logo to ensure that the ATM supports this feature. Next, open the Fifth Third mobile banking app on your mobile device and log into your account using your username and password. Select the Cardless ATM option from the app menu and choose the account you want to access. You will then receive a unique 8-digit code that is valid for a limited time. Go to the Cardless ATM and select the Cardless ATM option on the screen. Enter the 8-digit code you received from the app and select the type of transaction you want to perform, such as withdrawal or deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. It is essential to keep your mobile device and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access. Only use cardless ATMs at trusted locations and be aware of your surroundings when using the ATM. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and conveniently use a Fifth Third Cardless ATM to access your account and perform transactions. Remember to always log out of the mobile app in the ATM when you are finished to protect your account information. Using a Fifth Third Cardless ATM is a convenient way to access your account without the need for a physical card. And by following these steps, you can take advantage of this feature while keeping your account secure.